Scrum's secret sauce, the sprint goal. What is Scrum good at and how can you exploit it? Stop managing tasks. Start leading with purpose. Greetings from David Betzold. Ever feel like your gym team is running, but you are standing still? You've got all the right agile ceremonies, the perfect user stories, and a detailed backlog. But something is lacking. The crew is making the motions, and the task feels like a timeless to-do list rather than a destination. This is a conundrum most leaders face. They are what is focused on the features to be added and the tasks to be completed, while overlooking the way, or the why, of effort. This is where the true power of Scrum and the agile mindset kicks in, not as a process, but as an environment for experimentation and growth. And it is the sprint goal where this ominous secret is hidden, not in the ceremonies. Sprint goals have more substance than just a list of work. It's something that brings the team together, a shared mission. It enables you to go from manager of tasks to manager of purpose. Once the destination is clear, the team can rely on its judgment to pick the best path, however bumpy that road may be. This is where the magic of self-organization and creation happens. Think of this way: rather than tell your team members to build a login page, you tell them to increase user security by building a new authentication flow. The first is a task. The second one is a quest. It gives your team ownership and the freedom to change and modify on the way. It is the difference between an operational and an innovative team. This is not only about Agile. It's about empowering employees to bring the best of themselves to the business and feel confident that they will be trusted and supported to do so. How to write a great sprint goal? It starts with understanding the why behind the work, focusing on the desired outcome rather than just the output. A great sprint goal is clear, concise, and measurable, providing a unifying vision for the entire team. It should inspire and motivate, transforming routine tasks into meaningful contributions towards a larger objective. By embracing the sprint goal, you unlock your team's full potential, fostering innovation, ownership, and true collaboration. This is Scrum's true secret sauce, empowering your team to achieve extraordinary results.